Welcome to Visa Sponsorship Job Opportunities in France 2023. If you've been dreaming of working in France, known for its strong economy and high quality of life, then you are at the right place. Okay, the comprehensive guide on France Visa Sponsorship Jobs 2023 is your key to exploring career opportunities in this European gem. France is a European gem. If you have limited financial resources, if you don't have enough money, this is going to help you. Okay, this is going to help you. So in this video, I'm going to be covering things you need to know about working in France, identifying legitimate job opportunities with France sponsorship, top companies that offer sponsorship, popular industries hiring foreign workers, salary ranges, and a list of available visa sponsorship jobs, whether you're a skilled professional or seeking entry level. Okay, whether you're looking for a skilled work or you're looking for an unskilled work. Okay, this will guide you to navigate the path to your dream job in France. One of the biggest challenges is gaining those experiences, and not a lot of companies are willing to employ a fresh graduate because they feel like you don't have experience. And not a lot of companies, I mean, there are some companies that want to employ those who are not graduate or those who didn't even go to school at all right? And in this video, okay, it's going to help you, it's going to guide you towards what you need to know about working in France. And I believe that you find a place here, if you can follow what I'm going to be explaining in this video. Okay, just apply the tips I'm going to be giving you. If you work very hard, you're going to find a place. Now, what is it like to work in France? Before I explain this, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, ensure you subscribe to this channel. This is the Promise Breno channel, and I'm changing lives. I've made a lot of videos, as you can see. I drop content every week, and I've made content regarding different countries around the world. Recently I made video regarding visa sponsorship job opportunity in Sweden. Then I also made another video regarding visa sponsorship job opportunity in the UK. And these videos, people have been seeing them, and and it is helping people. So ensure that you subscribe to this channel and click on the bell so that you'll be notified whenever I drop content. Okay, and also please click on the like button to support this video. Also, I want to appeal that you should subscribe to this channel. I just started this channel newly. This is my brand new channel. Ensure you subscribe, okay, because it's going to be so beneficial to people. Okay, all right. So without wasting your time, let's delve into this content proper. All right. So what is it like working in France? Now, when it comes to working in France, you can expect unique experience characterized by efficiency, punctuality, and strong work ethic. France work culture places a high value on work-life balance, offering generous vacation time, sick leave, and public holidays. France also boosts a comprehensive social security system, providing healthcare, unemployment benefits, and retirement benefits to employees. I remember one of my jobs. I mean, there were two of my jobs in Poland that in the summer, all right, I didn't need to work in the summer. Like during the summertime, we had like summer holidays, and during the summer holidays, I was paid. Like I was like it was interesting to me because that was the first time I was experiencing this. And these are the kind of things that you can benefit if you get the right offer in France. Those kind of offers that you can get to like sick leave. Maybe you're not feeling well. There was this time also that I was not feeling well, and I went to the doctor. I think the reason was because I was taking a medication. I was strong, and I went to the doctor and I got doctor's report, and I got some days off from work. So you have to work in companies that value you, like, I mean, that can offer this kind of benefits. And these are the kind of companies that I'm going to be walking you through, in which you can get this kind of jobs. Okay, all right. Now, however, as a foreign worker, you will need to obtain the appropriate work visa to enter the workforce. So you don't just work to to France. Even if they employ you, you can't just work like that. They need to sort out your documentation over there in France. Like, so basically the companies I'm going to be showing you in this video are companies that are licensed. That they are companies that are like they've already obtained the license to hire foreigners. They are known to hire foreigners. So they have the capacity, they have the pedigree to hire foreigners. Not every company has the pedigree to hire foreigners. Okay. So, and if they have this pedigree to hire foreigners, so you kind of like, once you apply and and they accepted your application, they would, process your work permit and send you the documents you need so that you can apply for a work visa and you can now move to France. Do you understand? Yeah. So now, how do you identify genuine job opportunities in France as a foreigner? Now, I want you to follow these tips very carefully, okay? These tips are going to guide you. Now, to protect yourself from potential scams, follow these tips when searching for job opportunities in France. The first tip is check the company's website, okay? Check whether it is a legitimate company, okay? Because legitimate companies maintain professional website with physical addresses in France, okay? Very, very important. Don't be carried away by those kind of offers that are too good to be true. Ensure that you go to the website, and when you go to the website, there are diverse ways to know if the website is genuine. So when you check the top, you see that everything is okay, like the website is okay. Okay, you won't see any restriction. Okay, so most websites that are okay, you will not see restrictions. So this is one of the ways to know that a website is genuine, and you need to go to the company's website once you see an offer. Not everybody that posts about jobs that you should just rush and apply or rush and pay. Okay, I'm going to come to that part of payment. Okay, all right. Now, second tip is use trusted job search engines. Rely on reputable job search platforms like LinkedIn, Indeed, Fox, and others to find legitimate job postings. Okay, so basically there are different ways you can find job opportunities, and one of the in fact, the thing is that even scammers are everywhere. There was one of my friends who told me that he got a scam offer on LinkedIn. LinkedIn of all places. They were going to, the job seemed like too good to be true. And he just like instinctively decided not to go for it because he felt like it was scam. So even in LinkedIn, even me personally, there was one job opportunity I applied on LinkedIn, and I had an interview, and during that interview, the person, I couldn't see I mean, it was a video interview, right? I think it was on Teams or one of these platforms, but I couldn't see the recruiter. Like, I didn't see the person interviewing me. It was only my video that was on, you know. And later, the person now sent me another email that I've been accepted. Congratulations. That I need to do this. I need to do this. I need to do that. They need to train me before I start. But then in the training part, they were talking about money, something that I need to pay. That means I need to involve finances. I need to pay some money to for which was like kind of, it started looking like fishy. Then when I'm now showed my friend now told me that somebody he knows also got the same offer, and that the person said it's a scam. And when we now looked at it, and it now looked like scam, and I didn't go for it anymore. And where did I get that offer? On LinkedIn. So you need to be very careful on these things. Very, very careful. Okay, you need to be very careful. Even though these are sites that we recommend, you also need to be careful on those sites. Now, the third tip is evaluate the job description. Okay, genuine job postings provide detailed information about responsibilities, qualifications, salary. Okay, you will see it is kind of genuine. Now, somebody sent me one offer too. That they were giving him time frame to pay around 20 something euros, that if he doesn't pay this money, that he's going to lose the job offer or something like that. And when he sent me the link and I checked it, I do one or two research, checked, do my findings. I went to YouTube. I saw a video that talked about that company that condemned them, that they are scam. So first, it didn't say those kind of offers, they will not ask you for your CV, no CV, nothing. Like it just like they claim that they're offering you a professional job, right? But there's no CV. So how do they know your qualification? And they are now expecting you to pay. So you need to be very careful. Okay. Now, next one is exercise caution with unrealistic offers. Be wary of job offers promising exceptionally high salaries or unrealistic benefits. So when the offer sounds too good to be true, then you need to be careful. You need to think twice. Now, the fifth tip is research the company. Verify the company's legitimacy through social media profiles, online reviews, and news articles. Okay, you can check different places, just like it has been mentioned here. Now, the next one, which is very, very important, is avoid upfront fees. Legitimate companies do not require payment for visa processing or job placement. So, legitimate offers, legitimate companies, you don't need to pay to apply. Okay, so you need to be very careful. That the offer I got, they were like they wanted me to make a financial, kind of to pay something, in order to do something like that, to use my money to do something, which sounds like scam. Do you understand what I mean? And you could just tell that this is scam. So you need to be very careful about the people that are asking you for money, like I mean, like companies. I'm talking about companies. I'm not talking about agencies. Agencies and companies are different. So agencies can help you to get jobs in companies. That is licensed agencies, like agencies that already have a contract with the company can help you to get a job. But when it comes to now dealing with the company directly, I don't think they will ask you for money to process your stuff. I don't think they will. Okay. I don't think they will ask you for money in order to give you a job. So you need to be very careful. Now, the next on my list is list of potential employers offering visa sponsorship in France. Before I tell you this, please smash the like button on this channel, please, on this video, I mean. Okay, please just like it, so that it will support the video. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe and click on the notification bell. Okay, all right, let's move on. Here are some renowned companies that offer visa sponsorship for foreign workers in France. The first one is L'Oreal. This one is a popular company. I think it's a beauty company. Then we have Total Energies, we have Airbus, Danone, Orange SA, Societe Generale. We have Schneider Electric, we have Carrefour, we have Taylor's Group, we have Accor. So these companies, like, these are the kind of companies that you talk about licensed sponsors. They have the pedigree. These are not just the only companies, okay, but as part of this video, we're just going to talk about, I'm just going to show you these ones. Okay, now let's if you want to find out about these companies and apply for jobs, okay, I'm going to make an example using one of them. Okay, so please follow carefully on what I'm doing. So the link, all these links here, I'm going to put them in the description under this video. So when you go under this video, okay, you will see it, in those places, that place that I wrote things like, so when you go there, you will see the links there. So I'm going to put all of them so that you just need to click and it will take you to the website. Okay. All right. Now let's use this one as a case study. This L'Oreal. So basically, if you're looking for a job, you need to go to the career section. So now already the link would take you, somewhere there, so that you'll be able to access it easily. Now, so this is their website. As you can see, it is a legit website and it is the career section. So getting hired at L'Oreal, you can read this, okay? Then what you need to do after you've read this is you need to explore job opportunities. So click on this, explore our opportunities. And once you click on it, it will take you to where you will find job opportunities. Now, I have to warn you that not all jobs that they are advertising are visa sponsored jobs. Okay. All right. If you watch my content about UK, you would notice that I talked about different categories, three categories about the kind of jobs you can see on that particular website. So the first one was those that have the capacity, or those that are sponsoring foreigners from outside the UK. So that means if you're living outside the UK, they can sponsor you. You can get a job and they can sponsor your visa, to move to the UK. The next one are the ones that they only want foreigners in the UK. Like they are sponsoring foreigners, right? they are sponsoring foreigners visas, but they only want those already in the UK, not those outside the UK. And the other one is the one that they are not sponsoring at all. Like it is not advisable to apply to those companies or job offers that are not sponsoring visa if you're not inside the country you want to go to. Do you understand what I mean? So let's apply the same principle for this website, okay? So you need to watch out for only offers that are visa sponsored. Do you understand what I mean? Now, in the situation whereby you didn't find or it is not written, because sometimes it might be visa sponsored, but they might not write it in the job description, or they might not write it at all. So what I would advise is that if you don't see anything like visa sponsorship on the job, apply. Just apply. So apply to as many as possible. If you apply to, like, let's say 20, maybe one or two or three or four or five might be visa sponsored. You might never, you can't, you can never know. So you need to apply as many. And one of the things you can do in order to save your time, so that you don't apply to jobs that are not visa sponsored, is you can just kindly contact the recruiter or the company and ask them about that particular role. So you can contact the recruiter. Some job offers, they will have email address there or phone number that you'll be able to contact the recruiter. So if you can find that, fine. If you cannot find that, you just need to go to the company website and look for HR and take the email address and contact them about that specific job and quote the number on that job. Okay, ask them if that job is visa sponsored. If it is not, don't apply. Okay, now once you come to this website, you can see different categories. So data and tech, tech, AI, different categories. So you just need to look for what you want and apply. So you can see here, jobs in the digital sector. We have 105 offers. We have 23 offers in corporate affairs and engagement. We have 127 offers in marketing. We have 62 offers in finance. We have 37 offers in human resources. We have 49 offers in research and innovation, and so on. We have even packaging. We have different areas: sales, creative design, retail, and so on. Okay, so you just click on anyone you want. So let's say we want to go for tech jobs. Okay, so you click on this one, see all, then it's going to lead us to where those jobs are being displayed, and you have to now choose the one you're interested in. Okay, and you make sure that you read the job description and follow the principle I've told you about, knowing how to know whether it's visa sponsored or not. If you don't know, you can just apply. Okay, so then just click on anyone that you're interested in and just go and follow the instruction and apply. Okay, so do you have any question about this one? If you have any question regarding this one, put in the comment section below. Okay, yeah, so you can just read the qualification and everything. If you know you're qualified, if you feel like you're qualified, you can just click on this apply. Okay, you can see that they're even looking for mandatory English. Okay, so yeah, so this is it about this L'Oreal France. Okay, so you can do the same for these ones, for this Total Energies, Airbus, and the rest. So, okay, apply the same principle. Okay, if you have any question, please put in the comment section below. Now let's move to the next one, which is top industries hiring foreign workers with visa sponsorship. Now, France offers visa sponsorship opportunities across various industries, including the health sector, tech software developers, blockchain developers, etc., law sector, immigration lawyers, business and insurance sector, that is business developers, market researchers, HR professionals, etc., engineering, mechanical, architectural, etc., unskilled workers, nannies, hotel staff, tailors, restaurant workers, drivers, etc. Okay, so these sectors are these are the top industries hiring foreign workers with visa sponsorship in France. Okay, as per this article. Now let's look at the salaries earned by foreign workers in France. Now the salary range for foreign workers in France varies depending on factors such as industry, position, qualifications, and experience. On average, foreign workers can expect to earn a monthly salary ranging from approximately 1,200 euros to 3,500 euros as per this article. All right. Now, however, these figures are approximate and actual salaries may vary. So this means that these are just approximate, okay, not actually like spot on. So you can see that it's just like based on statistics and research. Do you understand what I mean? So there's an opportunity to negotiate. So you can negotiate your remuneration with potential employers to ensure mutual satisfaction. You get it? Now, if you're applying for a job and they ask, for example, like even me, I don't like that kind of question. You're applying for a job and they're asking you how much do you expect to earn a salary in this job. So, you will be just kind of confused. You'll be a bit, you don't want to say something that is higher than what they pay, and you don't also want to say something that is way below what they are paying. So if you ask me, what I will do is I'll just go on the internet on Google and type similar offers in the same location to see how much they maybe a rival company are paying, or any kind of company in that bracket are paying. You can just research about the company to know how much they're paying too. Or if you know one of their staff, you can ask them. Okay, then you put the same kind of amount there. All right. If it's possible, just put in a range. But if it is possible for you to put like, you can pay me anything you want, that's fine too, because that's what I do. Do you understand? Now let's look at the list of available visa sponsorship jobs in France for foreigners. Now let's explore various visa sponsorship job opportunities in France. Okay, so now we have software developer, civil engineer, medical doctor, financial manager, marketing specialist, architect, mechanical technician, business intelligence analyst, data engineer, digital designer, construction worker, hospitality staff, farm worker, cleaner, warehouse worker. These are list of available visa sponsorship jobs in France for foreigners as per this article. Okay, do you understand? Now, let's look at how to apply for visa sponsorship jobs in France. I've already told you, I've used one of the companies as an example, how you can find it, but let's look at it again and like just like a summary. Okay. Now, to apply for visa sponsorship jobs in France, first of all, you need to visit reputable job search engines such as LinkedIn, Indeed, Fox, and others. I've talked about this already. Okay. Then, secondly, you can enter your desired job title, e.g., example, healthcare assistant jobs in France in the search bar. So when you go to the website, check out for a search bar, okay, where you can just put the title of job you're looking for. Do you understand? So you can just enter any of these jobs that are here that have been said that they are providing visa sponsorship, just to make it easier for you. Okay. So if you do that, then you click on enter and you can see suggestions, okay, if there are openings like that at the moment. Do you understand? Now let's look at the third one, which is browse job listings and select one that matches your qualification. So after you've entered and suggestions have been, have surfaced, then you just go on the one you're looking for, right? The one that matches your qualification. Then follow the application instruction on the job posting, which may redirect you to the employer's website. So if it is not the employer's website that job was advertised, for example, this LinkedIn, this Indeed, Fox, they are not companies. They are just like websites whereby companies advertise their job offers there. So once you click, sometimes in LinkedIn, it redirects you to the company's website. Do you understand what I mean? Yeah. So yeah, congratulations if you made it this far to this point. I'm sure that you've gotten information, that to get started. And at this juncture, I want to conclude by saying that working in France is an exciting opportunity, and the guide on France visa sponsorship jobs 2023 equips you with all the essential information to make this dream a reality. Whether you're a skilled professional or seeking entry-level positions, France's thriving job market and competitive salaries await you. So what are you waiting for? Make sure you follow the things I've talked about in this video, all right? And most importantly, the links are in the description, so that you just need to go there and click on them easily, and do the things I've told you to do on this video. If you haven't seen the video I made about visa sponsorship job opportunities in Sweden, make sure you go to the Promise Breno channel and check it out. Okay, make sure you go and check it out. That video is is a great video. And also the video I made about visa sponsorship job opportunities in the UK, make sure you go and check it out. Okay, and also check other videos out that videos I've made on my channel. Okay, be sure to like this video if you haven't liked it, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Okay, click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I drop content. I drop content every week. Okay, so please subscribe to both my channel, both the Promise Breno channel and the Immigrate with Breno channel. Okay, all right. So thank you so much for watching. If you want one-on-one conversation with me, the link is also in the description below. Okay, for the Promise Breno channel, you can find the link in the description below. So you can just click on that link. Okay, so you will see it and click on it, do the needful, take a screenshot, contact me on Instagram or on any of my social media. Okay, and I would arrange a time. We agree on a time and we're going to meet. I prefer you contact me on Instagram because it's going to be easier for me to respond faster. And if you want me to work on your admission abroad, also the link is in the description. Do the same, do the needful, do the same thing, follow the same process. If you want me to arrange a CV for you, if you want me like to create a proper professional CV for you, also the link is in the description below. Okay, on the Promise Breno channel. All right. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. Till I come your way again. Have a great time. See you in my next video.